Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a form using Kompozer. First, navigate to the Insert menu and select Form, then Define Form. This opens a dialog box where you can name your form and specify the action URL, which is where the form data will be sent. You also choose the submission method, typically POST or GET. This initial step is crucial for setting up the form's fundamental behavior. Next, you will add individual input fields. Go to Insert, then Form Field, and select the type you need, such as a text field for short answers or a radio button for single choices. Each field requires a unique name for data processing. You can also set an initial value or mark it as checked. Remember to add descriptive labels next to each field, ensuring clarity for anyone filling out your form. For more complex input, Kompozer offers advanced controls. You can insert a selection list for drop-down menus, allowing users to pick from several options. For longer responses, use a text area, specifying its width and height in characters and rows. Crucially, include a Submit button to send the data and a Reset button to clear the form. These elements provide essential functionality for user interaction. Finally, consider the form's presentation. Using HTML tables can help align labels and input fields neatly, creating a structured layout. While Kompozer provides basic styling, you can further enhance the form's look by applying custom CSS rules. Always prioritize user experience by ensuring all fields have clear labels and instructions, making your form intuitive and easy for everyone to complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.